Y este animalito acuático hace su ruido con su boca para que le den pescadito.
Ian, I am proud of you.
He's still doing his noise so he can fish. It's funny.
Funny, baby girl. Oh, Ian's listening to him so often.